A list is a versatile and widely used data structure that stores an ordered collection of items. Being mutable, lists allow modifications to their contents after creation. In Python, lists support various operations for adding, removing, and accessing elements, making them essential for dynamic data handling. To create a list on Python, it does not need to be declared. We write directly color is equal. When we put brackets, so Python understands that it's a list. We will choose our list. It contains 4 colors. We put each color in quotation marks. Since it is a string, we chose the following colors: pink, red, orange, yellow. Since Python has underlined in red, there is an error to correct. There you go, 2 quotation marks are missing. So quite simply, on met the color variable between quotation marks and on execute to display the values of the list. This is the result. Now we select one element. Python always starts by the value 0. To choose yellow from our list, we put 3 in quotation marks, followed by a colon, which means from index 3 to the end. On execute, the result is yellow. Now we will try to add an item to the list. We use the append method as follows. Color points are appended, and between quotation marks, we put the color black. On execute, la function print color. The black color is good to add. Now we're going to remove an item from the list. We use the pop method for this. So, color point pop. The element index is a quoted character. On execute, the color red is removed from my list. We have already used concatenation between character strings. Now, we will use concatenation between 2 lists. We will rename the first list, and we will create the 12th list with different colors: green, gray, blue, white. I'll call you back. Colors in quotation marks separated by commas. Everything is in brackets. Now, we will create a variable. Colors that have a list of color 1 plus list color 2. Print color. We will execute our code. But first, we notice an error. Red color, so it is not recognized. Well, that's a typo. And we will execute. The colors list contains all elements of both lists. A set of 8 colors. Finally, we will use the replacement of an element of the list. So, with the global colors list, colors in brackets, The index is 0, so we point to the first value. Equal to in purple quotation marks. So the color pink must be replaced by the color purple. On execute, the color is well replaced.